Hey, it's Joe Ager from Frankfurt on Foot, and today we're at the Mainz Christmas market. It's almost dark. It's a crowded market. Let's go look and see though. And here's the pyramid here at the Mainz Christmas market. This is a nice tall one. Lammlachs, Mainzer style. We're plain salmon. This is so delicious. How about some roast pork? I'm gonna have some because a sandwich with onions is $8.50. And this is what my sandwich looks like. Yummy, with onions. And Santa Claus making balloon animals. So these are the wine vats that you can sit in at the Mainz Christmas market. You need a reservation to get in here though. They're really popular. So some pretty reasonable prices here at the Mainzer market. Glühwein's €4 and the cup deposit's only €1. Hot cocoa is $4. That sounds yummy. This is all from a local vineyard. A lot of the glühwein sold here at this market is. So fire trucks, lemons, and all kinds of things. Pizzas and burgers. The teeny tiny things. What you need for baking. They got everything here you'd ever want to have. I like the muffin things. That's cute. How about some puzzles or yo-yos? Guitars, strawberry hats, unicorn purses. Right across from the waffle bakery. Check out these gorgeous hand-blown ornaments. And we also have handmade soaps with the ornaments. Wow. The carousel in Mainz. Another pretty pyramid at the Mainzer Christmas market. And this lovely gold colored bar is right around the washing fountain. Kind of maybe keep you warm with that reflective blankets. These are adorable wooden toys here. Or are your cutting boards for breakfast? You want ducks? Or do you want soaps? This bush, ever had any of these? White chocolate fountain? Or milk chocolate fountain? Getting a little bit darker here. The place is just packed with people. This is a really full, busy Christmas market. The market here behind the dome, this section's pretty busy. Is that the wine vats back here? Lots of food, lots of gifts. So I hope you've really enjoyed the Mainz Christmas market. I have. There are so many cool things to look at and to eat. We had some of the best hot chocolate I've had in years and years and years. So enjoy. This goes on, I believe, until the 23rd. I'll put the dates up. If not, it's the 22nd. Have fun. Bye. Thanks for subscribing.